Hey, it's me again. Got some stuff from ExactRail. Let's go to the workbench.
All right, so what we have this week is the ExactRail Thrall 2743 Gondola. Let's take a closer look. All right, so this model comes in 4 different paint schemes. We're going to take a look at all 4. The first one that's sitting here in front of you is the Union Pacific, also known as CTRN reporting marks. As you can see, the paint on the model is very thin and the rib detail's nice. The printing is very crisp. And what's kind of cool about this is that all that small writing can be read if you put on really strong magnifiers. The stirrups are nice and thin. They're also molded, but they're thinly rendered, so they look pretty to scale. And something else that's kind of cool I noticed is that these ribs along the middle here are tapered on the bottom. It's just at the bottom of the rib there. There's a small tapered look to it. DJLX is Joseph Leasing. Nice thin coats of paint. Covers very well. There's no gaps, no voids anywhere in the paint. And the printing on the model is perfect. The OSM car is the Colorado and Wyoming Railway. You also have very clean paint, very crisp markings. And finally, the Norfolk Southern. You can see that the paint quality is consistent among all 4 of these. Let's take a look at the brake ends. So the brake ends have separately applied brake wheels and then the chain details molded. And they all come with knuckle couplers. We'll look at how they're mounted in a second when we look at the bottom of the cars. But I want to mention the ladders on both ends. They look molded, but they're so well done that they also look like they could be separately applied pieces. And I looked with my magnifying glass, and I can't tell. All right, so looking at the bottom, you can see these are body-mounted knuckle couplers. These are metal wheels. And look at the brake rigging on these cars. Full brake rigging. On end scale, this is really nice. But to look more carefully at the bottom of the car, there's a lot of other detail there. Those cross supports and the spine of the car, it's all very well done. And it kind of goes to speak about ExactRail's attention to detail, knowing that they did that much work on the bottom, which is a place that you never even see as these things are rolling down the track. So it's very impressive. And this is kind of what you can expect from all of ExactRail's releases. I have not seen one that wasn't impressive yet. All right, so it's another solid model from ExactRail. I want you to know that you can buy these models from ExactRail.com or TrainLife.com. I've provided links in the video description below so that you can click directly on them to order. Now, I also want you to know that these models are on sale right now, all the way up through the end of September for $16.99. The regular price on them is $25.99. So if you think this is something that you'd like to have for your layout, use the links in the video description to order. That way ExactRail and TrainLife will know that you saw it on TSG Multimedia. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks also to ExactRail for sponsoring the channel. I'll see you next time.